Hello, and congratulations on your new purchase of the Viridian Weapon Technologies E-Series laser sight. Today we will show you how to properly install this unit on your firearm. We will be installing the laser on the Ruger LCP2. However, these steps work to install any E-Series laser to its corresponding gun. Pick up your firearm. Keeping the firearm pointed in a safe direction, remove the magazine. Then, open the action. Visually and manually check that there is nothing in the chamber. Keeping the slide locked to the rear, insert a chamber check and close the action. Keep the chamber check in at all times while you are installing the E-Series laser. After unboxing your Viridian E-Series laser, make sure you have the following items: the E-Series laser, 1/3 and battery, your product manual, a warning sticker, a windage and elevation adjustment tool, and a housing screw removal tool. First, you will take the housing screw removal tool and take out both housing screws. Then, pull the two halves apart. Place your battery in the unit, with the positive side of the battery touching the battery contact spring. While we have the unit open, it is important to note that modifying internal components, including removal of this component cover, voids your warranty. Pick up the longer half, as that's what we'll install first. Please note, this curvature matches the curvature of the inside of the trigger guard. The longer half is installed by holding the laser at an angle to the trigger guard. You will hook the ridge of the inside portion to the trigger guard, allowing the tail to snap into place. Next, pick up the shorter half of the housing and line the tail portion up. Carefully snap the rest of the half into place. Even without screws installed, you can see the unit fits snugly against the trigger guard. Finally, add the two housing screws back into the unit using the housing screw removal tool. Use caution to avoid over-tightening and stripping the screws. Give your button a push and get ready to take aim. Your E-Series laser unit is installed. We hope that this video has helped you install your Viridian E-Series laser. If you have any other questions, please give our customer service department a call at 800-990-9390. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. We can also be reached by email, info@viridianweapontech.com.